Meaning of indecent assault.
Indecent assault.
Indecent assault.
Indecent assault.
Indecent assault. Indecent assault refers to the act of unwanted physical contact of a sexual nature, without the victim's consent. This can include touching or groping of intimate body parts, unwanted kissing or other sexual advances. The consequences of indecent assault can be severe and long-lasting for the victim, leading to psychological trauma, depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. In many jurisdictions, indecent assault is a criminal offense and can result in imprisonment, substantial fines, and a criminal record, which can have serious implications for the offender's future employment prospects and personal relationships.